Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Mister Teck-ela channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today we're exploring the future. Well, sort of. Imagine a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of what we know today. What could the Google Pixel 9 Pro bring to the table? From mind-blowing AI capabilities to a camera system that could rival professional gear, this device might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. Cut to some speculative renders or animations of the Pixel 9 Pro, highlighting features as you mention them. Whether you're a die-hard Pixel fan or just curious about the next big thing in smartphones, stick around as we break down 10 things you might not know about the potential Pixel 9 Pro. Let's dive in. Meet Pixel 9 Pro with Gemini, now in 2 sizes. Take pro-level photos and videos with the triple camera system and make expert edits. And it's engineered by Google, so it gets the best of Google's AI first. The Google Pixel 9 Pro doesn't exist yet as of my last update, but I can make some educated guesses about what might be included if it were to be released. Here's a speculative list of 10 potential features or aspects of the hypothetical Google Pixel 9 Pro. 1. Advanced AI capabilities. With best Google's focus on AI, the Pixel 9 Pro might include enhanced AI-driven features, such as more advanced photography and personal assistant functionalities. Custom Tensor chip. Google has been developing its own chips, like the Tensor SoC in the Pixel 6 series. The Pixel 9 Pro could have a more powerful, efficient, and best version of this chip, improving performance and battery life. 3. Refined design. The Pixel 9 Pro might feature a sleeker design, possibly with thinner bezels, improved materials, and a more ergonomic form factor in this segment. 4. Satellite connectivity. As satellite communication becomes more relevant in smartphones, the Pixel 9 Pro might include satellite connectivity for emergency situations or areas with poor cellular coverage. 5. Improved battery life. Battery life is a key area of improvement for every new smartphone generation. The Pixel 9 Pro could feature a larger battery or more efficient power management. 6. Enhanced camera system. Google's Pixel series is known for its cameras. The Pixel 9 Pro might introduce a new camera system with improved sensors, more powerful computational photography, and better low-light performance. 7. 120Hz OLED display, a continuation of high refresh rate displays, but with even better color accuracy, brightness, and power efficiency. 8. Under-display camera. The Pixel 9 Pro might experiment with an under-display camera to offer a truly bezel-less design without compromising on the quality of selfies. 9. Advanced privacy features. Given the growing focus on user privacy, the Pixel 9 Pro might include new hardware or software features aimed at protecting user data and ensuring secure interactions. 10. Long-term software support. Google might extend software support for the Pixel 9 Pro even further, offering up to 7 years of Android updates and security patches, reflecting a commitment to longevity. These are speculative ideas based on current trends and Google's past innovations. We'll have to wait for an official release to know for sure.